Hi, I'm Shane from Dekiru English Academy with another slideshow, written in blue this time. Don't confuse these words episode. Today, don't confuse win and beat. Here's a nice scoreboard. Look at that. The Tigers 3, the Bears 1. The Tigers won the game. Win. Past tense. They beat the Bears. Beat is easy to beat, past tense. Okay? So, you win something. For example, win a game. We won the game. Yay, we're so happy. Oh, she's happy. Oh, she's bouncing. She's happy. Win. What do you win? I won a prize. I won a trophy. You can win some money. Or, I won a teddy bear. Yay! Beat. You beat someone. So, teams beat other teams. The Tigers beat the Bears 3-1, if you want to put the score. Oh, look at him. I beat my brother at Uno. Yay! I won the game. I beat my brother. I won the game. Win. Win a game. Win a trophy. Win some money. Win a teddy bear. Beat someone. He beat him. They beat them. He won a bear. He beat a bear. So here's good difference. You can tell the difference. He won a bear. He went to a festival and yay, he won a bear. Congratulations. He beat a bear means that bear came at him and he beat that bear. That's a cute bear. Poor bear. He beat the bear. So that's a good example. He won, he beat. He won the bear, he can take it home. He beat the bear. He just beat him. Okay? So this is another short and easy lesson for you from Dekiru English Academy. I'll see you next time. I'm Shane. Goodbye.